Hello, this video is about nerve impulses and specifically about how they cross the synapse. This is a sensory neuron, and at the end of the sensory neuron we have got a motor neuron. Here's the motor neuron. Okay. In between the sensory neuron and the motor neuron is a gap. There's nothing there. That gap is called a synapse. At the beginning of the sensory neuron, we have a nerve impulse.
Hi, I'm electrical.
The nerve impulse is electrical. It travels along the sensory neuron really fast, and when it gets to the end of the sensory neuron, it causes molecules on the end of the sensory neuron to start releasing chemicals called neurotransmitters across the synapse. At the other side of the synapse are more molecules, receptor molecules. They bind with the neurotransmitter. This causes a nerve impulse to be generated.
Hi, I'm electrical.
And along it travels down the motor neuron. So we had electrical translated to chemical, There are lots of drugs that interfere with the nervous system and they fall into different categories. There's one category of drug that prevents the receptor molecules from binding with the neurotransmitter, and so this happens.
I can't catch it.
There are other categories of drugs that stop the neurotransmitters that have been released into the synapse from being taken back up into the sensory neuron. That means that the neurotransmitters keep binding with the receptor molecules and you get loads of nerve impulses generated.
I'm exhausted.
There are also some diseases like depression where there's just not enough neurotransmitter, and so very few nerve impulses are generated.
Where's my neurotransmitter?